Student, see this 28 number sum. Here we have to calculate not only the interest on drawings, it also interest on capital. So A, B are the partners sharing profit and losses equally with a capital of with a capital of 3 lakhs, 2 lakh respectively. B, A drawings is respectively is given, that is 30th June, 31st July during the year, 1st October and 1st March. And B drew 3000 at the end of each month. The partnership did provide that interest on capital and drawings is 6%. Now you have to calculate the interest on capital and interest on drawings. More thing important is that interest on drawings. How will calculate the interest on drawings in different date? Now see, in case of A, we just find out first interest on drawings. How will calculate the interest on drawings? First of all, we have to see our end of the year. So our end of the year is 31st March 2017. So the A's first drawings is 30th June. So in case of A, the first drawings will be 30th June. So interest will be calculated 30th June to 31st March. So from 30th June to 31st March, how many months? July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. It's for 9 months. And then next drawings is 6000. It's from 31st July. So from 31st July, it's very simple. Now we will calculate 31st July to 31st March. It is 8 months. Now it's from October. So the 1st October to 31st March, it should be 6 months. And the 1st March, from the 1st March to 31st March, it will be 1 month. So the drawings are calculated according to this month. How? Now the first drawings, in that case for 9 months, it's 5000 into what will be the rate? The rate of interest will be 6%. So 6 by 100. So in first case, our interest on drawings will be very simple, 5000 into 6%, and for how many months? It's 9 months. So it will be 225. Similarly, for 8 months you have to calculate for 6000 at the rate of 6%. How it will come? Very simple, 6% of 6000 divided by 12 into 8, that is 240. And then again for 6 months it's 4500. So into 6%, so 4500 into 6%, it's for 6 months. So it will be 135. And the last one is 14,000. So here it will be 14,000, 6% only for 1 month. So it will be 14,000, 6% only for 1 month, that is 70. So our total interest on drawings will be 225. See, 225 plus 240 plus 135 plus 70, 670. The interest on drawings is case it is 670. Now in case of B, now B withdraw 3000 at the end of each month. So the total drawings in case of B, the interest on drawings, total drawings will be 3000 per month. So for 12 months, the total drawings is 36,000. Now the interest will be calculated. Interest on drawings will be calculated very simple manner. That is 36,000, 6%, and then be with the end of each month. So and the end of each month, our calculation is for 5.5 months. So it's very simple. For 5.5 months, how will calculate? Very simple. 36,000, 6% of this divided by 12 into 5.5. So it's 990. It is calculation for interest on drawings. Now interest on capital is very simple. Interest on capital also is 6%. Now from the beginning of the year, the interest on capital, how will calculate the interest on capital? This is interest on drawings. Interest on drawings, how will calculate the interest on capital? Now A has 3 lakh capital. So we should charge 3 lakhs at the rate of 6% for full year, because capital at the beginning of the year is 3 lakhs. So it will be 18,000, and in case of B, the interest on capital, it's 2 lakh. As simple as that, 6%, which will be 12,000. Thank you so much.